simple search for a product on Amazon will lead you to a discovery of something that you never knew existed. Chicken nipples. These are called chicken nipples. I know what you're thinking, but chickens are birds, Joe. They're not mammals. That's true. A dude must have named these things. Anyway, here's how they work. On the bottom of a bucket filled with water, the chicken comes up and just pecks at the nipple. The water comes out, the chicken gets its drink. Super handy for a situation where you're trying to feed your chicken or whatever type of animal and you don't want them making a big mess in their water bowl. The problem is you can buy a bucket like this, complete with chicken nipples, and spend a bunch of money. But why buy it when you can build it yourself? Mancycle. So I'm going to show you how to do it for nearly free. On Amazon, you can buy a bag of mini chicken nipples for relatively limited amount of money. I believe this bag contains about 1 million of them. I paid $8 for it. Sweet. Well, here's how they work. They are threaded on one side. You drill a hole of a specific size into the bottom of a bucket, thread them in until they're tight, and you're ready to go. I'm going to install one on this old paint bucket. No, it is not a food grade bucket, but don't tell my chickens that. I like this bucket specifically because I can keep the lid on the bucket, open it up when I want to water it, or fill it up with water, close it when I've got all the water in there, and then it can just sit. So here's how we're going to do this. I'm going to drill the hole. I'm going to add 1 chicken nipple. We're going to see if it works. All right. Safety first, everyone. All right, this is an 11/30 seconds drill bit. This drill bit size is important. If it's too big, it's not going to seal. If it's too small, you won't be able to screw the chicken nipple into the hole. So here we go. I'm going to drill my hole. That's it. Now, I'm going to thread the chicken nipple into place. It's kind of a stubborn chicken nipple. And it will stop when it's completely tight. There we go. So the chicken nipple is in place. Now we're going to test it. Seems functional. Now, we're going to fill it up with water. It's just a random pitcher of water on the ground. It was amazing. Just kidding. My daughter got it for me. Okay, I can see there are no leaks. Now I'm going to test out the nipple. There it is. Look at this, guys. When chickens want to get their water, they know where to find it. Anyway, enjoy. I hope you enjoy your chicken water. Boomtown.